Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with a quick reference on the belt routing for the main drive belt for the Yukon. This is going to be the 6.2 liter or the 5.3 L86, L83. So basically you're just going to pull this over the water pump first. You're going to come down underneath the crank pulley and you want to wrap it around the crank pulley. And the trick is now you twist it sideways and get it behind that tensioner. Now you're just pulling it over to the alternator. So you're going to bring in your 1/2-inch breaker bar, push down to get it over the alternator. And this is probably all you needed for this video, but this is the way that it should look when it's on. It almost has that downward look to it as it goes down around the water pump, under the crank, over the tensioner, and back to the alternator. Now, as for the inner belts for the air conditioning system, there are special tools that are needed. I'll put a link in the video description on how these work and how you can get away with just using zip ties if you don't have the special tool. And that's going to be for the AC belt as you turn the crankshaft, and also for the vacuum pump. So check the video description for that. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and check the video description for the playlist that I made for all the videos on this Yukon. Thanks, guys.